viewers, today I am going to tell you how to set the font color scheme in PyCharm. For that, you have to go to open the PyCharm just by clicking on PyCharm. When you click on PyCharm, PyCharm will open. Then create a project as I have made PyCharm setting. For that you have to click on file and new project, then you can create a new project. Then you set the font size and color scheme for visibility of your project. So click here and go to the setting. Then on setting you have to go to the editor. Here on editor you have to go for general. In general you can change the font size with control mouse. So then you can also set the font size. I set here 18, and also you can set the font style type, Courier, Code, and JetBrains, Mono, Lucida, Sun typewriter, and many more options available here. You can set your according to your project requirement. And then you can set the line spacing, that is 1.2. Set here default, you can change it, make it 5, so it will change the size. Apply here, press OK. This will change the line spacing. Again go there and then set, go to the setting, then again you can change it into 1 also. Apply it, OK. So the line will come close. Then again go to the setting. Here in setting you can set the color scheme. In color scheme there are many type of color scheme. If you set the classic light, the screen will change into the light form, and apply it, so it will convert into white screen, which is more visible. But if you want to save your eyes, then you can set a dark mode also. For that you can convert it again in a Dracula. For that, apply it here, yes, OK. It will again convert into dark mode. Now again you go to the setting, then color scheme. Again you check GitHub. GitHub is also a light scheme which you can use. Then again you go there and check the setting, color scheme, and then high contrast. This will show your alphabets in a great or your screen in a contrast mode and more visible to you, and the background is dark, so but more brighter. So if you don't want it, then go little bit lighter one and apply it. OK. This will again the light mode, but not suitable for me, so I am changing it again, and that is a monocoil. This is suitable for me, so I always use this. You people can also use this, because the background is black and the fonts are visible in a different color according to the requirement. And this way you can set the screen color also, color scheme. And 2 more left, so I want to show you. Right, apply. This one is better than monocoil. And then next, file, setting, last one is warm neon. Apply it, OK. but it is not very good for the eye, so I am going to change it again. So go to setting, color scheme, and take this one, the light. This is better eye eye and on the project also. It is visible for all. So this is the setting of font and color scheme for the project which I show you. This is the font setting. This is the code editing. Here it is, don't disturb it. Then go to general where you can change your font size. You activate the font size and then change the font size. So this is the way you can set your screen for your project to show your project properly to the others to teach. And thank you viewers. Today this is all. If you like it, please share and subscribe, because this is the general problem of PyCharm. Then people won't be able to see the tutorial when they see on the YouTube. So thank you. Please share and subscribe.